जय माँ भारती समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द PAB समाचार चैनल from the international world. Angola is a country on the west coast of southern Africa. It is the seventh largest country in Africa, bordered by Namibia to the south, the Democratic Republic of the Congo to the north, Zambia to the east, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Angola has an exclave province, the province of Cabinda, that borders the Republic of the Congo and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. The capital and largest city of Angola is Luanda. Angola-India relations refers to the bilateral ties between the India and the Angola. Both nations are the part of the non-aligned movement. Being a member of the African Union, Angola supports India's candidature for a permanent seat in a reformed Security Council. India has an embassy in Luanda, Angola. Angola has an embassy in New Delhi, India. Angola-China relations date back to pre-independent Angola. They are based on emerging trade relationships. As of 2011, Angola is China's second biggest trading partner in Africa. Country Indian Navy anti-submarine fighter jet plane sat on the Ladakh fight against China. UP board also removed 30% course seeing on CBSE. Sacramento's 80-year-olds won the Corona 8th time. Environment: the Kosi River drains the northern slopes of the Himalayas in Tibet and the north-southern slopes in Nepal from a major confluence of tributaries north of the Chhattisgarh Gorge onwards. The Kosi River is also known as Sapt Kosi for its 7 upper tributaries. Then it includes the Tomar rivers originating from the Kanchenjunga area in the east and Arun River and San Kosi from Tibet. The San Kosi tributaries from east to west are Dudh Koshi, Bhut Koshi, Tamakoshi River, Likho Koshi, and Indravati. The Kosi is 720 km long and drains an area of about 74,500 km square in Tibet, Nepal, and Bihar. Invention: a car is a wheeled motor vehicle used for transportation. Most definition of cars say that they run primarily on roads, seat 1 to 8 people, have 4 tires, and mainly transport people rather than goods. Car came into global use during the 20th century and developed economies developed on them. The year 1886 is regarded as the birth of the year of the modern car, when German inventor Carl Benz patented his Benz patent. Motor version car became widely available in the early 20th century. One of the first cars accessible to the masses was the 1908 Model T, an American car manufactured by the Ford Motor Company. Cars were rapidly adopted in the US, where they replaced animal-drawn carriages and cars, but took much longer to be accepted in Western Europe and other parts of the world. Great person Devara Baba was also spelled Devaraha Baba, was an Indian Sikh yogi saint who lived beside the Yamuna river in Mathura. He was known as Ageless Yogi. Devaraha Baba was a hermit from Vrindavan. He was considered to be a spiritual guide to everyone from a pauper to the most powerful above narrow confines of caste and community. Village people as well as important personalities waited for hours to give a glimpse or darshan of him. He received visits from politicians seeking his blessings at the time of general elections, including Indira Gandhi, Bhutta Singh, and Rajiv Gandhi. State history of Odisha. Human history in Odisha begins in the lower Paleolithic era as Acheulean tools dating to the period have been discovered in various places in the region. The early history of Odisha can be tracked back to the mentions found in ancient texts like the Mahabharata, Mahagovind Sutta, and some Puranas. In 261 BC, Asoka of the modern dynasty conquered the region in the very Culling War, which was fought at the banks of river Daya near present-day Bhubaneswar. The resulting bloodshed and suffering of the war deeply affected Ashok. He turned into pacifist and converted to Buddhism. He sent peace emissaries to various neighboring nations. Thus, as an indirect consequence, the event caused the spread of Buddhism in Asia. The region was also known to other kingdoms in region of East Indies due to maritime trade relations. Crops. The cowpea is an annual herbaceous legume from the genus Visna. Due to its tolerance for sandy soil and low rainfall, it is an important crop in the semi-arid regions across Africa and Asia. It requires very few inputs as the plant's root nodules are able to fix nitrogen, making it a valuable crop for resource-poor farmers and well suited to intercropping with other crops. The whole plant is used as forage for animals with use as cattle feed, likely responsible for its name. Fruits. Asclepias kushavica, commonly known as tropical milkweed, is a flowering plant species of the milkweed genus Asclepias. It is native to the American tropics and has a pan-tropical distribution as an introduced species. Other common names include bloodflower or blood-flowered cotton bush, hybrid day cucuracha, Mexican butterfly with red head, sacred weed, and wild ape Koshanha. It is grown as an ornamental garden plant and as food source for butterflies. However, it may be harmful to the migration patterns of monarch butterflies when used in garden outside of its native tropical range. Flowers. Limonia acidicima is the only species with the monotypic genus Limonia. Common names for this species in English include wood apple and elephant apple. The fruit is used to make fruit juice and astringent properties and jams. Ripe fruit can be used as pickle. Other species of these fruits are considered auspicious to be ordered to Shiv and Ganesh in puja. A majority of Hindu temples will have a sacred tree within its compound and is known as the Sthal Brij. Yog. Titli Asan is a Sanskrit term that is composed of two words. Titli, that means butterfly, and asan, which means pose. In this asan, you move your knees and pelvis like the movement of a butterfly wings. It is the one of the most best asan for improving digestive and reproductive health, and is a perfect way to relax your legs after the day of hard work. It has a host of other benefits as well as that have mentioned below. The health benefits of butterfly pose: sit in the star pose, stretch your inner thigh and knees, reduce fatigue and help relieves anxiety and stress, helps in preparing for delivery, aids digestion and proper bowel movements, prepare your legs for cross-legged post lotus pose. A universe. A desert is a barren area of landscape where little precipitation occurs and consequently living conditions are hostile for plant and animal life. The lack of vegetation exposes the unprotected surface on the ground of the processes of denudation. 1/3 of the land surface of the world is arid and semi-arid. This includes much of the polar regions where little precipitation occurs and which are sometimes called polar deserts or cold deserts. Deserts can be classified by the amount of precipitation that falls, by the temperature that prevails, by the causes of desertification, or by their geographical location. Mathematics. Statistics is the discipline that concerns the collection, organization, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of data in applying statistics to a scientific, industrial, or social problem. It is conventional to begin with a statistical population or a statistical model. To be studied population can be diverse groups of people or objects, such as all people living in a country or every atom composing a crystal. Statistics deals with every aspect of data, including the planning of data collection in terms of the design in service and experiments. See glossary of probability and statistics. Ayurveda. Cactus or Cacti is a member of the plant Cactaceae, a family comprising about 127 genera with some 1,750 known species of the order Caryophyllaceae. The word cactus derives through Latin from the ancient Greek, a name originally used by Theophrastus from a spiny plant whose identity is now not certain. Cacti occur in a wide range of shapes and sizes. Most cacti live in habitats subjected to least some drought. Many live in extremely dry environments, even being found in the Atacama Desert, one of the driest places on earth. Village town Madhepura is a municipality in the Madhepura district in the state of Bihar. Madhepura in history. Madhepura is part of the Mithila region and the people here speak the Maithili language. Maithili first gained prominence after being settled by Indo-Aryan peoples who established the Mithila kingdom during the late Vedic period. Today's event. 1997, the second Blue Water Bridge opened between Port Huron, Michigan and Sarnia, Ontario. 1977, Chinese leader Deng Xiaoping is restored to power. 1983, martial law in Poland is officially revoked. 1963, Crown colony of Sarawak gained self-governance. 1962, Mariner program. Mariner first spacecraft flies erratically several minutes after launch and has to be destroyed. Weather news. Some states are alert of rain. These states are Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand for 2 days. Today's temperature in Patna 26 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 26 degrees Celsius. Cold War. The Cold War is a period of geopolitical tension between the Soviet Union and the United States and their respective allies, the Eastern Bloc and the Western Bloc. The World War II, the period is generally considered to span the 1947 Truman Doctrine to the 1991 dissolution of the Soviet Union. The term cold is used because there was no large-scale fighting directly between the two superpowers, but they each supported major regional conflicts known as proxy wars. The conflict was based around the ideological and geopolitical struggle for global influence by the two powers following their temporary alliance and victory against Nazi Germany in 1945. Now pronunciation of some words. Triathlon. Not. It is just triathlon. Second word is zoology. It's just zoology, not zoology. Today's food, that's all. I take for tomorrow. Live, stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः